Naghahanap ba kayo ng staycation place to unwind and relax? Tara, samahan nyo kami pumunta sa Cielo Alto Place Hotel and Restaurant na matatagpuan sa Mayagay, Tanay, Rizal. Meron silang mga cozy cabins where you can stay while enjoying the view of Sierra Madre Mountains. Cabin rates starts at 3,000. Meron silang mga mini cabin, good for 2 packs, regular cabin up to 4 packs, family cabin for 6 packs, and VIP rooms for 4 packs. For updated rates naman, pwede nyo silang i-PM sa FB page nila. Yung mini cabin at regular cabin, walang sariling CR, but marami namang common CR around the area for the guest. Upon check-in, meron silang mga binibigay na towel and toiletries na pwede mong magamit. For food naman, pwede magdala ng own cooked food, but bawal magdala ng mga electric cooking appliances. But for a hassle-free staycation, you can just order sa restaurant nila na pwedeng kang mag-dine in or pwedeng ipa-deliver mo mismo sa cabin mo. Meron din silang souvenir shop at massage place. So, yun lang guys. So, ano pa ang hinihintay nyo? Visit na po kayo sa Cielo Alto Place for a staycation with a mountain view. Thank you for watching.